Oh my god, that is a fucking tornado.
Are you sure?
It's coming this way. Do you not see it?
Oh my gosh, that's a freaking tornado. When you look at it through the camera, that is a tornado. Look at that, Maddie. Look. Can you see it?
It's forming, but it hasn't touched the ground.
Which way is it moving?
The clouds are moving this way. Like over us like this.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Look how it's rotating.
It hasn't touched the ground yet, but it is going to form into a tornado. If it touches the ground, yes. But it hasn't touched the ground yet.
Maddie, go get some pillows. Go in Dad's room and get pillows in the closet.
I gotta call my mom.
There goes the sirens again. Is it hit the ground? Can you see? Turn it on channel 8. Oh my gosh, it looks like it's starting. Okay, hold on. It's starting. Oh my gosh. I cannot believe we are witnessing this. Can y'all tell which way the clouds are moving?
It's coming this way.
Are you taking a picture? I cannot believe. There's a freaking tornado right in front of us.
It's going. It's going. It's going. It's going. Sydney.